everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I don't know if I was watching Mnakwethu or Uyajola 99. For the first time, Musamsele ever so disappointed to a man esukimbizile ukuthi izomkhulumela or azoyikhulumela kunkosikazi wayo wokuqala ukuthi he want to take the second wife. On today's episode guys, Musa was invited by the man okuthiwa Usiya from Witbank, and guys unonkosikazi ke Usiya and want to introduce his girlfriend Mnakwethu to his wife as unkosikazi wesibili. Like usual guys, Musa requested to see girlfriend kuqala, khulume naye kuqala, and all went well in conversation yabo until he went to visit Siya's wife, who welcomed Selegu and left him in the house. Kahle kahle guys, lo nkosikazi akasifuni isithembu at all. Umusa ke ubesemlandela ke njengoba kade phuma emshiya ehlezi endlini, and lo wesifazane wamtshela yonke into ukuthi ke indoda yakhe useless, ayina lutho, nalendlu abahlala kuyo baya renta, inemoto yayo nje kuphela, nayo le moto le ihlezi ifile ifuna ukulungisa. How can he think of taking the second wife while ehlulwa uye eyedwa? Guys, most of these women bahlezi bekhala ngento eyodwa ukuthi lamadoda la uMusamsele kwahlezi zowakhulumela ahlulwa umfazi oyedwa, then bese befuna ukuthatha umfazi wesibili. The lady mentioned that Usiya have more than 19 girlfriend guys. He showed Umseleku ama pictures alezi intombi ezinye asuke alala nazo emzini wabo or la behlala khona in front of their 2-year-old child. And guys, Umseleku was so disappointed at this guy, and he requested baba abafuna isithembu not to call them if bengazazi ukuthi bafunane. On today's episode guys, the wife didn't see the second girlfriend, or the wife didn't see the girlfriend as usual guys, because Umseleku was scared ukuthi the first wife would do something bad to the girlfriend. But ke alifakwa libuya no dark, nendoda bayishayile bayibhuquzisa phansi kwaze waphuma nesingisi lesebesikhuluma. Guys, yeah, ku rough la ngaphandle. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below guys and share your opinion. Was the first wife right with everything she did on today's episode or not? Bye.